This AI just made a viral YouTube thumbnail in seconds, and honestly, it looks more better than what most YouTubers can design. Let me show you how you can create your own YouTube thumbnail. So first of all, just get to YouTube and search your favorite creator and just take a screenshot of the thumbnail you wanted to create. Now come to ChatGPT and paste your image and give a prompt. Let's create this thumbnail with Seedream 5.0 Lite. Give me a prompt to create this thumbnail. Now GPT will create a prompt for you. So here it is creating our prompt. So just copy the prompt and come to higgsfield.ai and go to image, and from there Seedream 5.0 Lite. Once you get here, paste the prompt, select here Seedream 5.0 Lite. You will get 20 free generations in starting. Select the 3K image, 16:9 ratio, and if you want 2 or 3 version, you can generate 4 version. I want only 2. And click on generate. Now it is generating our images. As you can see, I have generated previously and it looks more better. Let's wait for the images. And our image is ready. The lighting, the composition and the text, all the things are great. So this means you don't need Photoshop design skills or a thumbnail designer anymore. With this one prompt, you can create your own viral thumbnail in seconds with Seedream 5.0 Lite in Higgsfield AI. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.